Hello, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious white rice with corn that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are the ingredients for my delicious white rice with corn. I have onion, butter, salt, and a garlic clove, corn, 1 cup of rice, water. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious rice at home. So let's get started. I want to start here with my 4th piece of onion. I'm going to dice it really small so that it really releases all those amazing flavors. Dice it really good, really small, just like this. And once you have it like this, put it aside, put it on this little bowl, and then continue with 1 garlic clove. Of course, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to dice it very finely, making sure that it's really diced so that it really releases all those amazing and delicious flavors. Well, here my pan is nice and hot. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Make sure that the butter is unsalted so you have control of the salt that your family is intaking. I'm adding my onion, I'm adding the garlic clove, really nice and diced. You want to cook it for about 2 minutes so that it starts releasing those amazing flavors. When you could smell the onion and the garlic, that means that it is time to add your corn. Remember, when you add your corn, incorporate it completely into the onion and the garlic. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. When it starts bubbling the way it is now, then it is time to add your rice. When it's bubbling, it's already absorbing the amazing flavors of the garlic and the onion. When you add your rice, incorporate it. You are not going to brown your onion. You're only going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes before you add your salt. Once you add your salt, incorporate the salt into the rice and the rest of the ingredients. And now it is time to add your hot water. Remember, every time you make amazing rice at home, you need to add hot water. To this, I am going to add 3 cups of hot water, making sure that it's hot. You don't want to add cold water to your rice. Always, it has to be hot water. I'm adding 3 cups of hot water. I'm going to let it cook, start bubbling right in the center. And once it starts bubbling in the center like it is right now, then now I know to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You could see that it's still bubbling in the center. It needs 5 more minutes and then this rice will be done. Look at this. I just got it off the stove and it is nice and hot. You could see the granules of the rice really pulling apart, even the corn. This smells amazing. It's really good, really delicious. You could really see that it's really soft, but yet it's not sticky at all. This is the perfect rice to cook at home and enjoy with your family. And now I am ready to put it on the presentation plate. But look at this. You could really see the granules pulling apart. Nothing is sticking. And that's exactly when you know that your rice is cooked to perfection. When you mix your rice and it pulls apart, that's when you know this rice was made with lots of love. And now, of course, I am ready for the presentation, and I can't wait to enjoy this amazing and delicious white rice with corn. Make it at home. I am sure your family is going to love this amazing recipe. It's easy, delicious, and perfect to make at home. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. It looks amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing white rice with corn. It really comes out really fluffy. Every granule of rice really separates. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The granules of rice really absorbed the delicious flavor of the corn. You need to enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this amazing white rice with corn. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. I will stay enjoying this amazing white rice with corn. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.